Bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is vodka with Tropicana lemonade, and this Tropicana lemonade, it just so happens to be a 100% juice, which I'm very excited about. No, this is not sponsored, which it should be, but we're not going to get into that. So go ahead, grab your drink, and come back and let's discuss. For today's video, we're going to be talking about all the straight people who feel like all the gay or bi people want them. As a bisexual female, a lot of straight females feel like just because I like girls, I like them in particular. Here's the thing. That's not how it works. You see, the same way you have an attraction to certain guys is the same way you have an attraction to certain girls. And you might be pretty in the face or pretty in the body or whatever, but if I don't like you, I just don't like you. And that's what it is. And the same thing can be said for men. Just because a guy is gay or bi or he likes guys or whatever the case is, doesn't mean that he wants you. It's okay to be friends with guys who like guys. There's nothing to be scared of. Okay, this is low-key like a PSA. Yeah, this is a PSA, a public service announcement. Just because we like members of the same gender means that we want you. There's no need to fear us. There's no need to get it all up in your head that, oh, we're gonna look you, or oh, we're gonna try to get you drunk, or oh, we're gonna do this, or oh, we're gonna do that. We're just like you. We're regular people just like you. So don't ever feel like, you know, you can try to put no certain kind of talk to me any kind of way, because that's just not how it works. Okay, if I do like you, I'll let it be known that I like you. If it doesn't come across that way, then that's just not what it is. Okay, if you guys feel different, if you have an opinion on the matter, leave it in the description, in the comment section. I was gonna say the discussion section. It should be the discussion section. Let's discuss. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. I'm already tongue-tied. I already only had like 4 sips of this. If you want to add more to the PSA, add more to the PSA, leave it in the comment section below. If you have a question to ask that you're too embarrassed to ask in the comment section, my email is in the description bar. Check it out, click the link, or, you know, copy and paste or whatever. Shoot me an email. I'll respond as soon as possible. If you have a suggestion for another Naked Sunday video, feel free to leave it in the comments. Feel free to send me an email, slide in my DMs on Instagram. Don't be creepy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.